Hello, Algebra 3-4. So this week we had some technical difficulties, and it's fine because we had to work on our quest anyway. So let's just talk about our substitution. So this is also substitution. And then elimination. And again, this hopefully is a little bit, just like a little bit familiar from Algebra 1-2. If it's not, though, again, we're not mad. So first things first, we did equal values method already. So that's when you have like y equals mx plus b, y equals mx plus b. So for substitution, you have one that's in standard form and one that's in y equals mx plus b form. So I just want to say standard form looks like this. Standard form is ax plus by equals c, I think. Oh, it's been a while. So that is sort of where I see elimination and or like substitution. So for substitution, I have, so for part A, I have one that's standard form and then one that's like slope-intercept form. So slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form. So that's sort of my key that I'm going to use substitution. For elimination, they're both in standard form. So both are standard form. Standard. Okay, so let's talk about substitution. I'm going to zoom enhance for a second. Oops, I want pink. Nope, well, I do. So here's my y, and I see this y. So for substitution, I'm going to literally plug in all this stuff into this location, into that y spot. So I'm going to have 2x minus 3. Here are my parentheses. And then equals 6. So you're replacing one of the variables. And that is sort of why it works, because you're eliminating the y and you can work in terms of x. So here I'm going to write 5 minus 4x. Okay, so then after that we're going to distribute. So the 3, the negative 3, right, that goes together, is 6. So from here I'm going to distribute, probably. Distribute. And then combine like terms. So the 2 and the 12, I'm going to make this be 14x. Negative 15 plus 14x equals 6. And then I'm going to solve. So here I'm going to think about my SADMEP. So I'm going to plus 15 to both sides. 14x equals, what is that, 21? Divide by 14. What is that, 3/2? That's kind of annoying now that I'm here. So I found half of the solution. And I'm remembering now that I didn't have enough space. So, okay. Well, you know what? I'll just squeeze it in here. So now find y is what I need to say. Find y. So for me, the easiest thing to do, and I'm using easy with like, you know, nothing's really ever easy. So just, we're in math class. It's okay. But like the path of least resistance, I'll say, is to use the slope-intercept form. So I'm going to use that because I have an input. So I'll stay in red. So I'm going to say, okay, y is equal to 5 minus 4 times this fraction. And that works out nicely, actually. I'm not too mad about this. What is that? 2, 6. Yeah, 6. Negative 1. Okay. I don't love these answers, but I'm not mad about it. So my answer is 3/2 and negative 1. This is my solution. So this is where these two lines are crossing in space. And I did some math and I found out where. X comma y. Okay. Oof. So for the U try box, right? So same thing, same idea. I would sort of like plug all of this into that y spot because I'm saying y equals that. So I'm going to plug it all in there. Oops, I don't want that. I want a pen. 4x plus 2 parentheses, close parentheses, equals 16. So again, I'm replacing y. Replace y, and then we can find x. And here are my parentheses. So 4x plus 2, but times negative 2 is negative 4x. Oh dear. Plus 16 equals 16. So I'm going to distribute. I'm going to combine like terms, CLT. These go away, so I just have 16 equals 16. So that's true. So this means something. Or you could do therefore. So because I get a true statement, that means that these are actually the same line. So there's infinitely many solutions. We love that because then I don't have to plug anything back in. So any number will work. And if you look at the equations here, I can sort of make that out that like these are actually the same lines if I divide by 2. So these are actually the same lines. And that's why it's infinitely many. So that's substitution. You're replacing one with the other. Sometimes it's just a letter, and that's fine. We love that. By we, I mean me. Okay, so we're at 6 minutes. Okay, elimination is different. So for substitution, maybe I'll write that over here. So for substitution, you're like replacing to solve. So for elimination, you can imagine, hopefully, that you are eliminating to solve. Eliminating. The other thing is that you've technically done this before. So this is how we solve a lot of problems without knowing that it's like algebra 3-4. Okay, I need you to come to a land back in time with me. Okay, so if I add these together, nothing happens. If I subtract them, nothing happens. So I need to have a least common multiple or lowest common multiple, LCM. So this is that whole thing here. I'm again hoping that you are remembering just a little bit. So I can eliminate my y's if I have 6, or no, greatest common multiple. Wait, GCM? Oh my gosh, I don't remember now that I'm doing a video on it. Greatest common multiple, because I don't want to divide usually. But for 2 and 5, it would be, okay, I'm having a moment here. It would be 10. Greatest common multiple. No, that's lowest. Do you hear the doubt in my voice? I had it right. I should trust myself. This is not my first. Okay, lowest common multiple, because LCM between 3. Yeah, okay, we're cool. We're chilling. All right, that was close though. So I need to multiply. To multiply. Because of the pink, so I would have 10, so I'd have to multiply both. If I choose y, I only have to multiply 1. So again, if you remember this, that's great. So I'm going to rewrite my top one. Negative 2x plus 6y equals 32. And then I'm going to think about like distributing this whole thing. So negative 10x plus 6y equals negative 8. So that's why I did that, so I could eliminate those y's. So I'm going to add these together. You could also multiply by negative 2. I don't usually like to do that very often because of the way that mistakes happen. But I would encourage you to do it. This is nothing. 32 plus negative 8 is the same thing as 24. So now I have negative 12x equals 24. We know how to do this, right? Or we can ask a friend. Okay, so same thing. Now find Why? It would be really good practice to plug it into both. For the sake of space, I'm going to only do one. The other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to choose equation 1. So like this is 1, this is 2. Because I want to try to keep my numbers low if I can. I mean, 10 isn't very big, but same thing. You get the idea. Okay, so negative 2 times negative 2 plus 6y equals 32. 4. Take away 4. Oh dear. 28. Oh no. Is this a fraction? I don't like this at all. 14/3. I don't love that, so I'm going to check the other one. And because I'm solving for y. Yeah. Oh dear, Miss Moose. Negative 10, because it was negative, it is positive. 3y equals negative 14 divided by 3. Nope. Oh, but this is, a sign is wrong, though. Oh, dear. Oh, dear. Negative 2 times negative 2. Negative 8. Okay. This is why I don't like to do math alone. 2x, 6y, 32, negative 10, 6, negative 8, combine. The 2 is negative. Okay. Why is this not working? 1 second. Why didn't you tell me? I wasn't supposed to add these. I was supposed to subtract these. Well, that's something. That's super annoying to me. Okay, so this is why you should do math. I don't actually want that. Dang it. Y'all, I need you. So this is all wrong. And this is all wrong. Oh, we're having fun. Well, I hope you have some empathy for me. So we're actually going to subtract. Oh my gosh, that's so annoying. So minus plus. There's my 0. 32 minus is 40. So I have negative 8x equals 40. That's an 8. Divide. So x equals negative 5. Okay, but do you see how I didn't like my answer and I checked it anyway? And then I got something similar because I did it wrong. Isn't that so funny? Now find y. Okay. So negative 2 times negative 5 plus 6y equals 32. 10 still, plus 6y equals 32, minus 10. I still do not like this answer. What is that, 11/3? I don't think that's right either. Negative 5. Plus that is 10. 0. Plus that is... See why we don't like elimination? And by we, I mean me. Okay. So I'm going to plug it back into this other one because I don't trust myself further than I could walk right now, which is not far. So this is 25 plus 3y equals negative 4 minus 25 minus 25. 3y equals negative 20. Why is this happening? I hate this problem. I have no idea. Okay, this is going to be extra credit. So I don't know like extra credit. Submit the right answer. Oh my gosh. I have no idea what's going on. That says answer. It does not finish the answer. Okay. So let's try this other one real quick because I'm literally going to give up here. Oh, Dios mío. Okay. So for this, I'm going to multiply by 5. Or actually, you know what? Let's not, because that didn't work out for me last time. So let's multiply both of them. So I'm going to do this one 2 and this one 3. So the lowest common multiple for x is 6. For y is 5. So normally I would do y. That's why I did that first. But I want to show when you have to multiply both. So same thing, you're going to multiply everything. And we'll just really hope it works out this time. It's okay to not know why something's not. I'm going to line up my y's. Negative times positive is negative. Okay, so because I have opposite signs, I'm going to add them together. And that was sort of what made me go wrong the other time. So I have opposite signs. You're going to add. Okay, let's try this. So this is nothing. 10 plus 3 is 13. I think hopefully we can agree on that. I don't love the look of this. What is this, 91? Oh my gosh. I don't have faith anymore in mathematics. 91 divided by 13. I'm using my... Oh, good. It's a whole number. I was ready to give up. Okay, so I need to now find x. So it's not always that I start with eliminating the x value. Okay, so let's do 3 times... Oops. See, I already messed up. So 3x plus 5 times y, which is 7, equals 50. So I literally plugged that in for y. So 3x plus 35 equals 50, minus 35, minus 35. 3x equals, I think that is 15. Divide by 3. I guess I don't need an arrow. X equals 5. Okay. Let's call it at that. So, I don't know what happened in this other one, honestly. That's going to bother me for the rest of the day, but that's okay. So substitution, you replace. Elimination, you eliminate, or like remove one variable. Okay. That was longer because of my mistake. So again, if you find my mistake, please let me know what happened. And I am very curious as to what in tarnation did happen. So you're going to practice some on your own and also like try to match some graphs. So just be try new things. Okay, bye. Okay, I know this is already too long, but I like rewatched my video and I see now where my error is, but I don't want to redo that problem. So I want you to do it for me. So I'm going to have that be one of your form problems, and also just for like the final record of equal values. I just want to write this again. Is like y equals mx plus b, y equals mx plus b. Substitution has one where it's substitution. Oops. Is like y equals mx plus b, and maybe like x equals, well, it's different though. We'll say like something, or well, I'll just leave that. And then elimination is both ax plus by equals c, or like the x's and y's can be removed. So I'm going to say or actually. You can have like x equals something and then like y equals something and like plug it in depending. Okay, so you're gonna do this in your form. And yeah, okay, bye.